In this video we will be going over how to set up a mod development kit, MDK, for your Minecraft mod. Before we start, you want to go to the official Minecraft Forge website and download the MDK file of which version you desire. After you're done with this, open the file and copy it to a new folder. Next, go back to Google and search for IntelliJ IDEA. This is what will let you edit the code. Alternatively, you can use a different program called Eclipse IDE. Once done, select the Open button and select the new folder you put your files into, and you're ready to code. That's the end of this video. If this helped you understand how to get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also don't forget to subscribe for more updates.